Alright, so we're going to finish up with this vise. We got everything's working on it, but I want to put some bolts in these back holes here on the plate because it's broken here on the sides. And with all the torquing and twisting, I mean, it can't come off really, but because there's holes in the plate in the front, but I want extra support for the ones in the back. So I'm going to mark them here and make sure everything's nice and square where I want it. I'm going to mark them, take the torch, blow a hole in them, too. Put the bolts in. But while we got the torch out, I'm going to take the other vices, right, and it had a bent bar. We got two of them actually, and going to straighten out the bars while the torch is hot. Okay, let's do it. Bring your goggles. Okay, back to the vise. So I got some into the bolt box. All my scrap bolts. I went to the dump actually, and I got two massive things of bolts. I'll show you there later. The big containers was full of scrap bolts and stuff, and they were good. They're not scrap at all actually. They're good. So I got washers, nuts. I'm gonna put it in the back. See if they work. See if they're right length. There's not too much meat down there. I'll have to get something a little longer because it took me like 5 seconds. So, right, boom. Okay, definite length difference. Then we'll see. Oh yeah, I'll have to get a washer in there like that. Oh yeah, that works. I get the washer in the bottom. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm going to take the grinder underneath because I cleaned up the top, I didn't get the bottom, right? So I'm going to go underneath, clean that up. Yeah. just tighten them up. Okay, so I got the vise out. Got that fitted pretty much. I'm going to straighten this out. I'm going to heat it up right here. And try to give it a little whack. That's right. There we go. So truthfully, I could probably just heat it up, use the weight of the vise. Got a glove there, I can grab the end of it. And I could probably just straighten it out by hand if I get it real cherry red. But I'm still going to hit it with the hammer. There we are. Easily going through that now. Yeah. Yeah, nice and hot. Okay, it's good. So once again, we're gonna let that just cool by itself. So we'll grab it from the rear here. I'm gonna put it in the concrete and let it cool down. The other vise. You see it's hot. It's pretty crooked there. Alright, so I'm gonna give it a bit of TLC and heat it up. Okay, lighten her up. Yeah, so this is stuff I got from the dump. It was just in a bucket. You know? You look at that and you say, why would you throw that away? You can replace any bolt that you ever had, and you can just, you need one? No problem, just go in the box. Go grab one. Yeah, look at this I got. It's a bucket of nails. Look at these. There now. Some got a little bend in them, but the vast majority of them are just fine. You know? Unbelievable. Oh, they got valves. Picked up those from the dump. All sorts of valves. An exhaust clamp. I don't know how many exhaust clamps I always go through. I know. So just a mixed box of parts, and all from the dump. All right. We'll build a shed with that. A strong shed. Unbelievable. Hey, look, this is more nails. All dump nails. I'm all the dump. Look at this. Look at that. All dump nails. Look, I got more nails. Look at this. All nails. Thrown away. Some of them. Gotta go through some of them, but for the vast majority of them, are all good. Like you're building a shed or something like that. You're putting up a structure. Hey, no problem. Use them. Look at that. Unbelievable. These nails are free. Free nails.